to appreciate my teammates for the effort that they have been doing. Wamenisaidia sana, they have really pushed me, and nimeona matokeo. I would like to appreciate them a lot. And another thing is ningependa ku thank LG. Hii ni big encouragement kwangu. Itanifanya ni keep on working hard and hard so that nipate more, because hii ni kitu ambayo itasaidia mtu kupush hard. Unajua kukuwa recognized, it's not an easy thing, so you have to work hard so that you be recognized.
I'm proud of my players to be among the first to get this award in volleyball. Yeah, and I'm proud of Chumba because of performance in Tunisia, and not only in Tunisia but for the last few years she has really performed well, and she has been best player, best attacker, and this time she became the most valuable player. And this motivation from LG, I would like to thank them, because we need also to perform in the World Championship as we prepare to participate in Netherlands in the next few months.